What up, fam? This is your girl Jalea, and I'm here to share with you guys about my Clever Fox planner and why I love it so much. So please subscribe, hit that bell so you can get all the notifications. Okay, so it comes in such a beautiful box, and of course it's wrapped in plastic. So right now you're just going to see me take it out. I'm going to also share with you some of the things that came inside of the box. Like, I still have this box because it's super sturdy and beautiful, and the font and everything they used in this was definitely high quality. I was actually getting ready to purchase this planner for myself off of Amazon. It was like $37.99. So it's a good price for planners, for effective planners, and I was gifted it by my friend before I could even click the button. If you guys hear my dryer, that's just what it is. It's part of YouTube mom life. Right here inside, they give you a booklet that goes along with it that tells you how it works. And you definitely want to go through it, because I'm the type of person that I don't like writing in my planner until I'm sure, because I don't want to mess it up. I have to have the right pen, the right color, all the things. That could be just a little bit of a little OCD or a little anal, but that's just my thing. I can't even help it. But they share all types of things in the How It Works books, and it's super helpful because this planner has a lot of things that it wants you to look at. You guys, I don't have my glasses on, so just read the box. But I got the weekly premium edition, and I got it, I believe, in teal. And underneath, there's going to be some stickers that come with. You get like 5 pages of stickers, and that's their cute little warranty card. Like, it's just so freaking cute. So it says you have 60-day money back guarantee. They're not getting it back because I'm keeping it. But they definitely have cute little stickers. It says stay organized, stay clever. But they've got cute little stickers that were helpful for me in setting it up. Although I still have a lot of happy planner stickers that I like to use. This combined with those they were definitely a good tag team. And because it's undated, this one gives you months, as well as like the appointment things and all that stuff. But it gives you the months. I wish it did give us numbers, but they would have to give us so much numbers. So I understand why they didn't. But just showing off all the cute little things. Me trying to figure out where the plastic tab is at. Look, me looking slow. It's okay. So when I pulled the planner out, I didn't know exactly what texture it was going to be. It kind of looked suede, but it's not. It has like a leather feel, or somewhere in between, but mostly like a leatherish type feeling. So there are several sections to this planner. There are 3 major sections. There's like the monthly reviews, the month, and then the week. So it goes in order and it breaks it down. On the monthly reviews, do you see this wheel of life? And it asks you about certain areas of your life, and you're able to give a general answer as to what areas you think are suffering. And what you do at that point is you make plans on what you want to do to change that. So this planner for me helps you become more active in your problem solving and not just looking at the things that went wrong that month. You're able to actually look and see what happened, and then you go and figure out how do you want to change that. So if you're looking for a planner that's going to help you go from thinking the things and then implementation, this planner is for someone who needs help implementing the things. I recommend it with all my heart. So you guys, I'll put the information in the description box below, and I want to thank you guys for checking this video out. I'll see you guys in the next one.